Hello and welcome. In this video, I want to share with you how I fixed the low resolution problem in Microsoft Word. When I first started writing my article, I started to use the template that was provided by the journal, and they wanted the figures to be at least 300 dpi. The figures that I had produced were 600 dpi. However, every time I inserted them in the Word file, the resolution was quite awful, either on the screen or printed out. It was obviously lower than 300 dpi, and even when I submitted it, the reviewers were getting back to me that you need to enhance the resolution of the figures, but the figures were already quite good. So I found out that the problem lies in the internal setting of the Microsoft Word, not the resolution. It's not related to the resolution of the pictures. So what you have to do is to go to the file, then you go to options, you go to advanced, and you search for image size and quality. You have to take care about three things. First, if you want to apply the changes to all the documents, you have to set all to all new documents. Otherwise, if you want to change only this particular Word file, you set the name. Here is doc8. Then you have two options to change the resolution. First is to tick the do not compress images in file. As you can read, this will keep the initial resolution of the incoming files, and if you have very high resolution pictures, then your output file will have a huge size. The other which could be your option depending on the science field that you're coming from. The other option that I used was set default target output to 330 dpi. So in this way, all the pictures are normalized. Their resolution is normalized to 330 dpi, and the size of the file, if you have a lot of pictures, would be more or less normal. And when you say OK, you have to remember that if you have already some pictures in the file, the changes won't be applied to the previously inserted files or pictures. So you have to go and change the picture. And okay, yes, the resolution I can see on my screen that upgraded a little bit. So yes, that's how you can change your pictures. I hope that you find this tip useful. I'll see you in the next video, and goodbye.